I'm Jikra Zahra from Software Engineering. Today I wanna telling comparison degree about Windows, macOS, and Linux. Okay, next. Windows, macOS, and Linux are all the operating systems. However, they differ in several ways. Windows is more user-friendly than macOS and Linux, but it is also more vulnerable to malware. Windows can run more types of software than the other two, but that also makes it more vulnerable in terms of power and customization. Linux is the most powerful and customizable, but it is also the most difficult for beginners to learn. macOS is comparable to Windows in terms of power and ease of use. However, it is the most expensive of the three operating systems. Okay, the degree of comparison depends on the characteristics you're analyzing. For example, in terms of price, macOS is the most expensive, while Linux is the cheapest. In terms of user-friendliness, Windows is the most user-friendly and Linux is the least user-friendly. In terms of customizability, Linux offers the most customizability, while Windows offers the least. Comparing the operating system in terms of power and software compatibility, Windows is the most versatile and compatible. However, both macOS and Linux offer greater power customization. It really depends on your needs, preference, and intended take on which operating system will be the best for you. When it comes to user experience, most non-technical users will find Windows most comfortable and easy to use. macOS is more tailored towards graphic designers and can be intimidating for users who are unfamiliar with the system. Meanwhile, Linux demands technical proficiency from users, and its interface can be complicated for beginners. When it comes to security, both macOS and Linux are more secure than Windows, mainly due to the fact that they are less popular and thus less targeted by hackers and malware developers. However, since both macOS and Linux are free and open source software, they can still be susceptible to security vulnerabilities. On the other hand, Windows offers better protection with this antivirus and other security measures. In terms of availability and support, Windows has the edge as it is available to users all over the world and has dedicated technical support team. Meanwhile, macOS is a proprietary software and only available on Apple devices with limited technical support options. Finally, Linux is open source and community supported software and can be very difficult to get proper technical support for it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.